Hey, what's up, Summer?
This whole thing was your idea in the first place. And now you're trying to rush it along. Damn, girl, you need to chill out. What's the problem?
The fact that you're old, the fact that we're all going to die one day, the fact that the universe is so big nothing in it matters.
Well, then get your shit together. Get it all together and put it in a backpack. All your shit, so it's together. And if you gotta take it somewhere, you know? Take it to the shit store and sell it. Or put it in a shit museum. I don't care what you do. You just gotta get it together. Get your shit together. Get your shit together.